Hi, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing the unitary form. Let's take a look at our first example. Here we're being asked to write the ratio 12 to 3 in the form of n to 1. So we can see that this ratio 12 to 3 has to be rewritten into another ratio where the right-hand number is 1. So think about what we can do to this 3 using division or multiplication to get it to become a 1. Well, we would have to divide by 3, because of course 3 divided by 3 is 1. You take the same approach with the 12 to find out what this n value is. And 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So therefore, our ratio must be 4 to 1. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another one-star example. Here we're being given the ratio 7 to 4, and they're asking us to write it in the ratio n to 1. So you have to think here, how can I get my 4 to become like this 1 through multiplication or division? In this case, we divide it by 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. And we have to do the same to the 7 to find out what this n is equal to. 7 divided by 4 gives us 1.75. And so therefore, the ratio is 1.75 to 1. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a two-star example. Here we're being told that 11 sharpeners cost £22.88. Well, if 11 sharpeners equate to £22.88, so I'm going to write a ratio here, and here it's going to be the number of my sharpeners, and on the right hand side it's going to be the cost. To find out how much 6 sharpeners cost, we first begin by finding out how much 1 sharpener costs. So I can get the value of 1 sharpener by taking this 11 here and dividing it by 11 to get 1 sharpener. I then have to do this to the cost to find out how much 1 sharpener costs. So we're going to divide this cost by 11 as well. And £22.88 divided by 11 gives us £2.08. So now that we found out how much 1 sharpener costs, we can go ahead and find out how much 6 sharpeners cost. And we do this by taking the amount of 1 sharpener and multiplying it by 6. This now gives us 6 sharpeners. And if we do this to the cost for 1 sharpener, it should give us the total amount for 6 sharpeners. So £2.08 multiplied by 6 gives us £12.48. So 6 sharpeners cost £12.48. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a 3-star example. Here we're being asked what is better for value. 4 rubbers for £3.44 or 3 rubbers for £2.73. Well, if 4 rubbers costs £3.44 and 3 rubbers cost £2.73, we can just find out how much 1 costs in each case and then decide which one is better value for money. So to find out how much 1 costs for this group here, we can divide the 4 by 4 to get 1. And then we can do the same thing to the cost, divide it by 4 to find out how much 1 rubber costs. And in this case, £3.44 divided by 4 gives us 86 pence. So £0.86. Now we can do the same for this group here to find out how much 1 rubber costs. So we're going to divide the 3 by 3 to get 1 rubber. And we're going to do the same to the cost to find out how much 1 rubber costs for this group. So divided by 3. And £2.73 divided by 3 gives us 91 pence or £0.91. So we can see here that this group to the left, the 4 rubbers for £3.44, has better value because one of them costs 86 pence, whereas for this group, one of them costs 91 pence. So you'd be getting better value if you buy the 4 rubbers for £3.44. So my answer here is going to be 4 rubbers for £3.44. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on the unitary form.